sticker haul. This one is from Craft Penguin Planner, and I did get this during the last TPC sale. So let's get started. She's got some gorgeous stuff. Plus, everybody knows I love her stickers. And let's just start off by doing this. This is all her information. You definitely want to go check her out. And like I said, I got this during the TPC sale. So this was the May TPC exclusive sampler, and it has the big old live. Sale begins, sale ends, and then checkbox, full checkbox, umbrella with sand, a smiley sun, penguin, drinking a drink, and then a planner. And then it says the next TPC sale will be June 6th through the 10th, so make sure you mark your calendar. That's a cute little sampler. And then this sampler as well. It says Hello Weekend, and it has the penguin doing a bunch of fun summer stuff. And then I ordered the Hobo habit trackers. I wanted some that were just the right size for my Hobo. And I love the different colors so they'll match. And then the scallop dividers for your Hobo. And then the long dividers for up and down. And then I got this kit. This is called Gnome Sweet Gnome. It's the weekly Hobonichi kit. And look what all you get in it. So here's your day covers all the way down with your dates. And then you have habit trackers. You have your 3 checklists. You got your Monday through Sundays. Your full boxes, your quarter boxes, and I say that because that would be the size that they were in a regular weekly kit. Hello Weekend, some flags, your top washi, your bottom washi, some dividing strips and dots, and then some more dividing strips for horizontal, trash, money, grocery, TV, and laundry. Is that not the cutest kit? And look at the colors. They are so beautiful. Look. Look how cute those gnomes are. Adorable. So adorable. And then I got the matching monthly kit for it. And it says June up here, and then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And then these are the 2 boxes right here. The long strip, and then 2 larger boxes. And tooth, doctor, present, birthday hat, flags, dots, paydays, your little tiny quarter boxy thing, quarter boxes, bill due, medical bill due, some deco, car payment, water bill, TV bill, internet, gas, electric, phone, house, credit card, reschedule, cancel, car, exclamation, and then some more dots. So you get a lot in a little monthly kit. And I love the gnomes, so I had to get it. All right, so that's what I got this round. I have another order coming, I believe. So make sure you go and check out Craft Penguin Planners and get you some goodies. And make sure you check out the next TPC sale because it will be June 6th through the 10th. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Hit that bell and add yourself to Plananina_Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram. All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.